In today's video, I'm going to be covering a few variations of sun salutations. I'm Shannon Codwell, founder of Purple Lotus Yoga, where I help women of all sizes and ages become standout yoga teachers. For the best tips and advice on sequencing, teaching yoga, and deepening your own practice, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for my latest uploads. The first one we'll take a look here is classical sun salutation. Starting in mountain, inhale, lift up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, up halfway. Exhale, step back, lower down. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale. Exhale, walk, jump the feet to the front. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, mountain. Sun Salutation Series B adds in chair and warriors. Inhale for mountain. Exhale, chair. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank, lower down. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step through, lifting up into warrior one. Exhale, release, take it back to plank, lower down. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale and exhale, step through to a lunge. Inhale, warrior one on the other side. Exhale, release, back to plank, lower down to the floor or chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, exhale, step forward between your hands. Inhale, lift up into chair. Exhale, mountain. Sun salutation with lunges. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step back to the lunge. Inhale, plank, take it down. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale. Exhale, step through on the other side for lunge. Exhale, release, coming back to forward bend. Inhale, up halfway. Exhale, release. Inhale, back to mountain. Sun salutation in a chair. This is where all of the postures in the sun salutation are done while sitting in a chair. Make sure your chair is sturdy. Inhale, lift up for the mountain. Exhale, fold it over. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, release. Inhale, bring it back up, mountain. Exhale, squeeze that knee into your chest. Release. Fold it back over. Lift up on the inhale. Exhale, squeeze the other knee to your chest and release. Inhale, bring it back up halfway. Exhale, release. Inhale, come up to mountain. Exhale, back to the beginning. Kneeling sun salutation. This is going to be done on the floor from a kneeling position. Have participants put something underneath their knees, or just skip this one altogether if there are knee issues. Starting from hero, lift up onto the knees. Exhale, release to puppy. Inhale, come to table. Exhale, cow and cat. Take it to down dog. Back to knees. Table, inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Release to puppy. Inhale, lift back up to mountain on your knees. Rest back into hero. Last one in this sun salutation variation series. This one's done completely sitting on the floor. From staff, reach up. Exhale, fold, forward bend. Inhale, pull the chest forward. Exhale, release, forward fold. Inhale, take that into a twist. Exhale, around. Inhale, back around. Exhale, release, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift to staff. Exhale into your twist. Inhale, back up to staff. Exhale, release, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, back to staff.